Okay. Okay. So now I think I'm gonna need to do some mutation. So if you create a like thing, I will just return a boolean. So it's you have like or not. So you're gonna know if you favorite a photo or not. And here you're gonna need the photo ID, who's gonna be a type of no null ID. And also after that, we're gonna resolve in my reaction. And I'm gonna call that create like. So here I'm gonna have nothing. I'm gonna have the photo ID, and I'm gonna have nothing at third argument. So now I want to create a like. So I think my photo have many user likes, and a user have many photo likes. So a user can have many photo he likes, and a photo can have many user he likes. But you can like only one time one photo. So here inside my create right there, what I think will be the best idea is I need to search first if it exists. If it exists, I delete it. If not, I create it. Yeah, I think this is what I need to do here. Yep. from p in no, it's not that. It's gonna be in reaction dot, how I call that, like photo, where the p dot photo id equal the photo id I pass, and oops, and I don't like why you don't detect. No, why you don't detect my n? And where that user ID. So for now, what I'm gonna say is the user ID. I'm gonna say user ID equal 1, like that. So I'm gonna get my item like that. After that, I'm gonna say like equal repo dot one query. After that, if like equal nil, oops, if like it's nil, I need to create one. So here I'm gonna say reaction dot create like photo, where here I'm gonna pass the photo ID and the user ID. And when this thing is done, I'm gonna return OK, and now that means you have liked this photo. Else, I'm gonna say reaction dot thing that's gonna be delete photo, delete like photo, and I'm gonna pass the like, and here I'm gonna say now you don't like it anymore. Hey, how are you? So right now, okay, I have this, and oh, I have already some like. So so I cannot like the photo ID number 9, so we're gonna test it. Create like, I need to pass 9. Oops, and now if here that word, I'm supposed to receive false. Yep. So you see, so here I did select. So I select the query, I find, okay, so that means the user have liked this thing. So you see this query finally just for saying like if this user have this this like. So it's a many-to-many. So as you can see in the DB, I save both ID, so user ID and the photo ID. And finally here, that means the user have liked this photo. So if I select again, now it's not. So now if I click again, I'm supposed to receive true. And now if I do this again, now we receive 1 and 9 again. So now that means the user can like the photo. So now this kind of query here, I think I can just make it inside my reaction. And I'm gonna just say get user like, oops, where here I'm gonna pass some argument, and finally what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just check all, yeah, the get, yeah, But I can just pass this thing, saying then this thing's gonna came from args.photo and args.user ID, and finally returning repo.one, like that. So now here I can remove this thing and saying right there here I'm gonna pass the photo ID and the user ID, like that. So now if it still work, it not work. Oops. Oh, here, what I can do too here, it's I can just say repo.get by. Yeah, but the thing it's you just get one. Really, what happened? 26. What happened? Oh, no, ecto query is there. So sometimes you get some weird problem. Like example, if ecto query is not there, I'm gonna receive kind of this kind of error, like maybe not this one here, but you can receive some error like p photo ID like cannot exist, something like that. It's because you need to import the library query if you want to do this kind of query right there. Now just syntax before parenthesis repo.one. Uh, yeah. Okay. So finally, what I think happened. What? 26? What I did wrong? Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay. think this way can work. I'm not again the best in this pattern map. Oh, that's gonna be only okay. What I receive, and that will be my okay. Here, if I do this, now here I'm gonna get that. Now in repo 1, yeah, was good. Yeah, I was good. I mean, this thing here, I don't need that. I can just say that. So it was working. So this thing, I don't need a tuple here. After that, here, why this nil don't get call? So get user like here. My reaction. What? Okay, so this thing exists. Oh man, I know why. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay with my if statement. Gonna refactor. Okay. And now if I want to get started working this one because photo icons here should receive at least one for the number 9. Hey Ivan, how are you? I'm good, you? I'm just really tired. So where do my likes came? User photo like, post user like for photo, Okay, so yeah, but this is not what I likes con no null integer. Okay, yeah, here because I don't resolve. Okay, okay, okay. I think this is how you're supposed to. Uh, okay, that was. Oh, I can do the aggregate. Yeah. It would be better if I. Like that. It's 3, so aggregate. Give me the count of visit. Yeah, but I don't need to. So for me, that would be the sum. Return the number of visit per blog post. Finally, I can just count the number of. If the query has a limit of blah blah blah. Aggregate. Sum. Count. I mean, I'm gonna go the other way. I know this. There was this thing I was searching. Really? What happened? What I did wrong? From L in reaction like photo. Yeah. Where L at photo ID equal the photo ID I give you there. Select fragment with the count. Like that. And after that, here I should return this thing here. Like that. Yeah. So now, okay. So now my photo number 9 have 0 like. So if I say mutation and I say photo number 9, so now I have 1. So now if I fetch again, I receive number 1 right there. So 1, and now I should receive 0. Nice. So now I have the number of counts I have. Okay, so the only thing I think I missed here was Instagram. I never use this app, so I never know. So 1 sec. So I think I missed. Yeah, no, this thing was good. Okay. So now what I have already done. So here I can show the avatar and the username. I can show the photo. Good. After that, I can show the like here. After that, here I think I've put this color there. I'm gonna just take here. Wow, computer is really slow. Okay. And finally, when you like, I think really what happened when you like in in Instagram. One sec, I'm gonna like a photo. Okay, yeah, so this thing become full. And now I cannot. Oh yeah, I can. No, I cannot. Really? Maybe iron, earth. Okay, they have this kind of earth here. I mean, this earth. It's not the same. So earth. And this one. I think this one looks like the one they have. No, really no. Man. But so yeah, so you see this is a simple line icon. So looks like material have I think material should have the good one. Or font arson. Yeah, so font awesome will have this one. And they have the empty one. This one too. Really? Okay. I'm not sure, but I think I can create a symbol and the symbol should be me and my I don't remember how to do this. Okay, yeah, this is what I want. Okay, so this is what they say. This okay, yeah, I remember. Yeah, this thing. Duplicate. Okay, now we need the design. Okay, blah blah blah. If you don't. Okay. Finally, it's not one symbol, it's two symbol I need. I see. Yeah, like this. Boom. Yep. So now when you like it's like this. When you bookmark something. Okay, so finally when this thing is bookmarked, it's gonna be filled. Me and the name, I'm gonna say nope, it's not bookmarked. Nope, that's it. And finally, this one was from material. And now this one I can say bookmark. Yes. And I can remove it. Bookmark no, bookmark yes. So this one it's yes. I'm gonna just change the color. And I'm gonna say that's gonna be when it's filled is this one. If not, this one too. Okay, perfect. So this is how that looks. And when you just finally, when I click here, okay, and when we just finish to save, they have something here. No border. It's kind of white like this, and here they have save to collection. Sorry about this design stuff. I mean, I just want to make sure that the code I'm gonna give is gonna be a good one. So for me, before I design this thing, really helped me. So like and 2014, I want 15. Okay. The only thing I don't like it's this number of like. This one I can create a symbol too. I'm gonna say like const. Ah shit. And I'm gonna just update it because this thing it's I'm gonna say 13. Man, this it's really big, but I think it's bold. Not bold. It's not bold. It's black. No, it's not black. Semi bold. Yeah, no. It's gonna be regular. I'm gonna keep it like this. Yeah. So now every place I see this one here, I'm gonna just. I don't remember how I can click on my plugin. I have this, I have that, but where is my runner? Nope, this one. I'm gonna do this later. Yeah, I think for that's gonna be good. Okay, so tomorrow, this is the plan is to design this thing. I think I can do the feed tomorrow, so after that I can do some video about filling this feed. It's just now what I miss. It's I have the like, I have the number of likes, so this thing is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this thing and I'm gonna say so what I need to finish is the view command. The tag is done, I think. I can have the tag and I can have the name of the tag, yeah. After that, so I missed the command here. So I'm gonna need the command con. I'm gonna need the command also. What I need to is gonna be the fact that a user can bookmark. Oops. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I can do oh boy. Reference. Oh man. After that, I'm gonna have a photo ID. Hey boy, I think I'm gonna just commit first. Oh man, I forget something. Oh, I can add this, but I forget. What? One sec, my keyboard gets stuck. My comment again. Oh man, the new MacBook Pro keyboard is really bad. I really don't like it. So that's gonna be command migration. Here I need to this thing cannot be there. Create an index. Perfect. This thing is good. This thing is good. I need a timestamp. Yeah, this thing. And a photo. Yeah, I think this thing is good. So I'm gonna run the migration. And I get an error inside. Reaction comment photo. It's a text of type text. You're gonna tell me then they don't accept text. Schema. Ecto schema. So they have string. Okay. String blah 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 blah. Okay, so here finally it's better for me if I say it's a string. But inside my table, I think this thing can be good. So now I'm gonna just do something. I'm gonna say by photo 3 comments. I'm gonna say 5 and I'm gonna do a number between that. So I'm gonna say here comments. I'm gonna say 4. 1 to fake comments. Do now here that's gonna be reaction that comment photo. Here I'm gonna do the same thing of here. I'm gonna do the repo insert at the end. But now I need to add a text. It's gonna be by faker that Lauren dot give me some Shakespeare in English. Hamlet. Oh yeah. Like that. Give me some Shakespeare. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close my DB here And I'm gonna do something really bad, but I mean, I'm gonna just reset. And I get an error, and I got at line 53. Okay, so I think it's a function. Is missing terminate what? Oh, here. Yeah. You think that's gonna be some good text if I search for that? So really? Oh. No, yeah, so really. So my command, what a piece of work is, man. Oh yeah. So user number 2, I've done. I think I just missed some command. I think I'm gonna say like 20 commands. Perfect. Now I can continue to start it. And now what I'm gonna need to do, it's now I'm gonna need to have like a reaction that resolver. Maybe not a but here a reaction that type. Or finally, I'm gonna just copy paste that. I'm gonna paste it there. And I'm gonna just keep this one. And what I'm gonna say, it's here that it's gonna be a comment. Well, we have an ID, we have a text, we have a date, for now. I'm gonna say also we have a user. Finally, I mean a user who it's a non-null user, and for that we're gonna say resolve. I don't need a resolve association, and I'm gonna say you. Just what I forget is done. And I think that's gonna be a as many. as many commands. And I'm gonna say the same for a user. Like that, like that. And also, like the photo I've done, I need to say it's gonna be below a user, and it's gonna be below a photo too. Like that. And so here, if I say I saw user, if I say photo, it's a null photo. Like that. Later, I can comment in on another comment. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in my reaction. Take this thing, remove it from here, go there. Alias two things in one. Oh boy, oh boy. Like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I want in my photo. So a photo can have many comments. Who finally is gonna be a non-null list of command resolve the association comment. And finally a user gonna have the same thing like that. So now for testing this, if I don't bring the thing, like user ID is already set on schema. Comment photo. Cannot define module Instagram schema pop. Oh, okay. Reaction type. Yeah, you see, I copy paste, and this is what happened. Here in my schema now, I just don't forget to import this thing. Okay, so we're gonna test it. So now when I'm gonna get all my photo, I can get the ID. And can I get the command with the text? Yep, buddy. And this is the request I do. So for getting the ID, so the photo ID, image URL, I'm gonna get the user with the username and his avatar. And also I'm maybe gonna ask for the ID. Also I'm gonna ask here for the insert at. The command I'm gonna ask for insert at plus the user with the avatar and the username plus the date we enter this. So for all that we break. The field user resolved to nil, but it's marked. User for photo. User. So I put user here in photo because in photo I say belongs to user. But Oh, I think I misdone my stuff. Add user ID. To my photo. Schema. So here I have the user ID. So here, why it didn't accept this thing? Like that, yeah, accept. So here my command now, you see all this stuff for this query. So if I run, this is what we got. So we did one query here, one query here, one query, and one query. So 4 query for doing all this here. And I think I can improve it with some data loader stuff. And now if I want to get the likes count, now you see that's gonna be the thing, because on each photo I show, I need to run this thing. But one of the first thing I don't have yet, it's here I should say like how many photo I want maximum. Yeah, but I think, so we have a photo with the user, the likes, insert image ID, and the comment on it. And the comment can show the username, blah, blah, blah. What do you think of this? What we missed? So now if we have the comments, I'm gonna need to have the counts of how many comments. A photo have. I think that's gonna be the last thing for tonight then. So a photo can comments count. It's a null integer, and this query I'm gonna really need to oh really? So now I should 3, 2, 4, 5. Yeah. You just look again at all the count you need to do, because for each photo, select counts from comments photo where, okay, so we have one query here, one here, one here, one here. So this one, it's an n+1 right there. It's easy for here because we have only 10, but if we get like 1,000, but I mean this is impossible. I mean the you do like an infinite pagination, and this way you can like load the first 20 photo example, or maybe 10. I think it can be a good number. And after that, when you get to like the number 8 and you have 2 still below, now you can refetch again. Kind of an infinite load. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna stop for 10. I think this thing is pretty good. I mean, now the thing we need, so we have that, and I'm gonna just miss bookmark, and I think a bookmark is gonna be a many to many, because a user can bookmark many photo, and a photo can be bookmarks by many user. Not really, it's gonna be a many, just as many. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you go, and we talk tomorrow surely. I'm gonna do like another session, and I'm gonna record 2 videos, one for the Twitter clone, and I'm maybe gonna start to do the video about this setup. But I mean, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna surely design the mobile side of it, so and make it work. I mean, when one card is done, it's easy. And after that, you have this. So here we're gonna have a section, a flat list section right there. Yeah, that's gonna be the plan. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn a bit. Sorry about my newbie skill in Elixir. I mean, I know what I do, but it's the language. I have some stuff I don't already know. Like I know what I do when it came to like GraphQL in that, but when it came to just the language, sometimes I don't feel quite good enough. But don't worry. Before I'm gonna teach that, I'm gonna take a good week or 2 to just go over this thing. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna talk later. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.